Do you know that using complex sentences can make your writing flow better, sound clearer, and show real confidence in your English? If you find this useful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and share it with someone who wants to improve their writing. A complex sentence is made up of one complete thought, called an independent clause, and one incomplete thought, called a dependent clause. Example 1. I stayed home because I was tired. The first part, I stayed home, is a complete thought. The second part, because I was tired, cannot stand alone. Example 2. She smiled when her friend walked into the room. Here, she smiled is the independent clause. When her friend walked into the room is the dependent clause. Put together, that's a complex sentence. Complex sentences are powerful because they add detail. I ate lunch after the meeting ended. Show cause and effect. He missed the bus because he woke up late. Improve flow instead of short, choppy sentences like, it was raining. We stayed inside. You can write, we stayed inside because it was raining. Without them, writing feels robotic. With them, your ideas connect smoothly. You'll often recognize complex sentences by words called subordinating conjunctions. Common ones are because, since, although, if, when, after, while, unless, before, until. Examples. You'll pass the test if you study hard. Although it rained, the kids kept playing outside. We stayed awake until the fireworks ended. She reads whenever she has free time. To really get it, let's compare the 4 sentence types. Simple sentence, one complete idea, the baby cried. Compound sentence, 2 complete ideas joined with a conjunction, the baby cried, and the mother picked her up. Complex sentence, 1 complete idea plus 1 dependent idea. The baby cried because she was hungry. Compound complex sentence, 2 complete ideas plus 1 dependent. The baby cried because she was hungry and the mother picked her up. Here's the easy rule. If the dependent clause comes first, use a comma. When the movie ended, everyone clapped. If the dependent clause comes after, no comma is needed. Everyone clapped when the movie ended. Quick extra example. Because he studied hard, he passed the exam. Versus, he passed the exam because he studied hard. Watch out for these errors. Comma splices. It rained, the picnic was canceled. Because it rained, the picnic was canceled. Run-ons. She opened the door, walked inside, she sat down. She opened the door, and she walked inside before sitting down. Dangling modifiers. Running to school, the backpack felt heavy. Backpack can't run. Running to school, she felt her backpack was heavy. Subject-verb agreement. The group of players are winning. The group of players is winning. So here's the takeaway. A complex sentence combines 1 complete idea with 1 incomplete idea, joined by a linking word like because, if, although, or when. Use them to add depth, variety, and flow to your writing. With practice, your sentences will sound more natural and powerful. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it. And now, I've got a few quick questions for you. Can you think of a complex sentence using the word although? How about one with when? Which type of sentence do you use most in your writing? Simple, compound, or complex? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to see your examples.